In this Henry how-to, we'll show you the differences between silicone and acrylic white roof coatings. Both are popular protective and reflective coatings for flat and low-slope roofs, but the two are very different. Let's compare Henry 887 Tropicool 100% silicone with Henry 687 Enviro White acrylic in 7 different categories. Tropicool 100% silicone delivers 100% waterproof protection, while a high-end acrylic such as Enviro White acrylic is ponding water resistant up to 48 hours. Acrylic roof coatings are not waterproof on their own, not even those claiming they are siliconized or urethanized. Tropicool 100% silicone offers a lifetime transferable warranty, while Enviro White acrylic offers a 12-year warranty. Tropicool 100% silicone can be applied in as little as 1 coat. Enviro White acrylic requires a minimum of 2 coats. Tropicool 100% silicone provides a 100% waterproof seal and high reflectivity to prolong roof life. Enviro White acrylic, on the other hand, with its dirt pickup resistant technology, reflects more over time, making it the best choice if you're more concerned with energy bill savings than waterproofing. Tropicool 100% silicone creates a strong chemical bond by cross-linking silicone molecules to the existing roof surface, resulting in a 30% stronger bond compared to Enviro White acrylic, which relies on a physical bond that sticks to the surface of the roof. Tropicool 100% silicone is rain-safe in 15 minutes, while Enviro White acrylic needs 12 hours of dry weather. Tropicool 100% silicone can be applied between 35 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, while Enviro White acrylic should be applied between 50 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So to sum up, Henry 887 Tropicool 100% silicone is your best choice if you are looking for 100% waterproofing plus high reflectivity, you need greater durability, you want less work and something more foolproof, you're concerned about adhesion, or you need to apply a coating in more extreme temperatures. Henry 687 Enviro White acrylic is your best choice if you are looking for maximum reflectivity and energy savings, you want the lowest product application cost, or labor is not a consideration. Make sure your roof coating projects are done right the first time with Henry Solutions. You'll see why Henry has been the #1 choice of professionals and DIYers for more than 80 years. Check out all our Henry how-to videos on our YouTube channel.